In this video, I will show you how to set up page in Microsoft Excel. So guys, open your Excel document and click on page layout. So here is the page setup. You can change margins, normal, wide and narrow. Orientation, you can select landscape or portrait. And here you can change the size like A4, A3, legal, or in more paper size, you can select your desired paper size. Like A4. In margins, you can see the here preview, top left, header right and footer and bottom. You can change as your need like 1 in top left, header and right and footer and top. Also you can set horizontally or vertically like this. And you can see the print preview here. If you have the data, so you can see the preview. And also guys, you will see this line for print, which area will be printed here. Here you can set print area. Here you can change the background. Like this, or any color or any another picture like this. So this is the video guys to learn how to page setup in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.